In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Trust Wallet to GCash. So what you want to do is first open up the Trust Wallet on your Chrome extension, so on your desktop or your app on iOS or Android. And once you're in here, it's basically the exact same process for both of them. You want to click on the crypto. When you're inside, of course, your wallet, you want to click on the crypto you'd like to send to GCash, okay? And then let's say I want to send Bitcoin, okay? So you want to click on it, and then you want to tap send over here where it says send. So you want to click on it. There we go. And then you want to type in the recipient address, and in here you want to basically paste your GCash address for receiving crypto, and you just simply put that in. So you put in your address and type in the amount. So let's say I wanted to kind of withdraw or send one Bitcoin to GCash, but of course I don't have one Bitcoin on here. And then once you've done that, you want to click on preview, and then you want to click send or transfer, and then that's done. You've successfully withdrawn your Trust Wallet GCash.